Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 ML350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An almond beige MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. Trailer hitch. ML350 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the lane assist package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keeping assist. Premium 1 package, which gives you Harman Kardon sound system, wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This ML has 76,600 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.